Now come to our second question, that is form the largest and the smallest 4-digit number by using following digits. Here first part is 3781. So from these 4 digits we have to make what? Largest number and the smallest number. So to frame the largest number, arrange the given digits in descending order. Descending order means from largest to smallest. So in all these numbers, the greatest number is 8, then 7, then 3, then 1. So our greatest number is 8731. Now again frame the smallest number from these given digits. To frame the smallest number from these given digits, we have to arrange the digits in ascending order. Ascending order means from smallest to greatest. So in all these numbers, the smallest number is 1, then 3, then 7, then 8. So our smallest number is 1, 3, 7 and 8. Now come to our third part, that is 9047. Again frame according to the first problem. Here 9047. So the largest number is 9740 and the smallest number is, first we have to conclude the 4, which is the smallest from all the non-zero digit. So 4 is 4, then include the 0, that is 40, and then after 7 and then 9. So our smallest number is 4079. Here why we cannot include 0 as the smallest number? Because if we have to frame 4-digit number and if we take 0 as first, that is 0, the smallest number is 0, then 4, then 7 and then 9. Here 0479, 0 is not including the 4-digit number. We form only 3-digit number. So 0 included after the 4. Because in all these numbers, as according to our steps, first we have to include the 0 after the 4. So our number is 4079. Now come to our third question, that is form the largest and the smallest 4-digit number by using 1 digit twice. Here the conditions are given. What? That we have to frame the largest and the smallest number. Of how many digits? Of 4 digits. But the condition is that we have to repeat 1 digit twice. Means we have to repeat the 1 digit 2 times. Okay. Now here 657. Our number is 657, and from these digits we have to frame the largest number. Here the digits are only 3 and we have to frame 4 number of digits. But as according to the condition, that is 1 digit twice, so if we frame the largest number, we have to repeat the among these 3 digits. The largest number is 7, so we have to repeat the 7 2 times. That is 7 7 and then after 6 and then after 5. Now same process we have to repeat in the smallest number. In all these 3 digits, the smallest number is 5, so we have to repeat 5 2 times and then after 6 and then after 7. Now come to our second part, that is 037. Here the largest number is 7730. Here in all these 3 digits, 7 is the greatest So we have to repeat the 7 two times, then after 3 and then after 0. Again after 037 we have to frame the smallest number. Here first we have to include the non-zero digit, that is 3, and then after 0 is the second, the smallest, so 0 we have to repeat the 0 two